everybody. Today we have all these ones, and we brought this one from Walmart, and we're gonna open this mini brand right now, and we'll see which one we get. I got this thing, like something like juice. Oh, never ends. And all these three that we opened. Now we're going to open this one. Going to open this one. Oh, this one. And we got this one. Let's see which ones we got. This one is like, what are these? What are these?
Mm-hmm. They're like dumplings.
Dumplings?
Mm-hmm.
So these are like dumplings. That's what we talked about. And this, I think it's like a sandwich. And this one is like a half paper. One like burger. And this one, I don't know what it is like. And here's Hungry Hippo. Some people play that game, some people don't. And I had that right, like a board game. And here we have some Peeps. Lots of people eat some. Like some days after dinner for dessert. Ah! Okay. And this is okay, get after. And we have some mustard. Some people don't like it. Like, I don't like it. And I don't know if Dylan will even like it, because he's my brother Dylan. And he likes everything, but he probably won't like that. I have this one for my lunch. It's Cool Cuts. Sometimes I put on sandwiches, and I do. I actually put on a croissant. This is to help all the germs come away. Purell. And this is some cheese. A debit card. And this is like on debit. Put it inside and tape. And this is, I think it's like going around that side. And this is a ordering drive window. This is some omelet milk. And this is some baked Got all the bags. Where's the butter bag? I think we lost it. What? Where did it go? Okay. Ah, why is it open? Oh, what? So this is a cinnamon roll, and this is all the icing. These are some. These are some markers. This is hot chocolate milkshake, because I see something better there. And this is a burger. It has cheese, meat, and tomatoes and lettuce. And that's it. And this is the same thing. My sister gave me it. Hers. And we got some tooth medicine. And this is like garlic bread and some sauce to dip on the side. This is some Subway soup. And this is cheese. Some people love cheese on their burger. I had these are like quesadillas. And these are chips. I think I just gotta go. Oh, pizza. Here go pizza. This is some Hershey chocolate. And I ate Hershey chocolate a lot. This is some chocolate dip. You put fruit in it, strawberries you dip in it. Strawberries are more good. Like apples, chocolate apples. I hate chocolate apples. Well, I actually never tried it. We got Pogo. I think they just like scribbled some Pogo's have sticks. No. This is like sandwich kind of. And I'm gonna eat it. Nom nom nom. This is some vitamins. And sometimes you can put in the basket. And some. What are these?
Candy.
Candy? Huh? Why do I keep dropping them on the floor? Maybe because I'm not mustard. Put that in there. Actually, what's next now? We got some puppy makers and carrots. But it's not open, but I kind of. And this, about it. And this is a bluey puzzle. And this is some sushi. Some garlic bread on the side of the sushi.